Hey everybody, let's go on a hike. We're here at Carver Park. Let's go. Here's the deal, folks. We were here before and there was kind of like a figure eight loop, and I did one side of the figure eight. So we're back here today to do the other side of the figure eight. And yeah, I had a great time last time. Had some gorgeous scenery, and I'm hoping that it's going to continue this time. It's about 28 degrees. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. Not a cloud in the sky. Kathy's Prairie. All right. Good stuff already. Let's give you a good idea how deep the snow is here right now. It's a bench. It's all the way up to the seat. We just had like another inch or two the other night. And I think we're expecting a couple more inches in a couple days. They have very nice groomed paths here. And although they're groomed, they're not really packed down, so as you can see over here, it's still very soft snow, but it's at least not deep. No post holing. So we took a turn here into another trail, which is also groomed. Just happens to be the widest groomed trail on the planet. Anyway, to our right here is Crosby Lake. And if you watched my last video here, I took a break at a bench that was overlooking this lake. I believe it was on the other side over there. They must be getting ready to do a concert here or something. They're expecting thousands of people to come down this trail. So my path just turned off onto this single track trail. And I'm happy about that because this is more my style. We stopped here for break. Found a nice bench in front of this overlook. I'll show it to you in a minute. But I'm really liking this place, and has a lot of small lakes or swamps, wetlands, and they're all connected by these, thin pieces of higher lands. And the paths just walk in between the lakes, and it's kind of nice just overlooking the lakes. And, pretty nice place. So I just stopped here to take a break at this nice overlook here, and got some hot chocolate and a banana today. So fun sitting out here in the beautiful, beautiful nature and drinking some hot chocolate, just relaxing. But now it's time to go. To give you an idea of what I was talking about earlier, kind of got the lowlands over here, the wetlands down there, and then path is walking down this hill in the middle, and on the other side is a lake. That's kind of cool. You're gonna get the overlook on both sides. Alright, we made it to the other side of Crosby Lake. I guess I was wrong earlier when I said this is where I was last time, because it's not. I was looking at the map, and I was at Stone Lake last time. This is Crosby Lake. We will be seeing Stone Lake in a minute. Probably like a half a mile down. Yeah, it's pretty gorgeous from this end. I got the sun shining on it from the other end. That is awesome. See all the snow sparkle on the lake there? Alright, we're about to come out to a clearing here where we get to see a little bit of Stone Lake there off in the distance. But it's also connected to these vast marshlands. And then I don't know if you can see that in the camera, those cars going by over there. There's a highway going by at the edge of the park here. So that's what all this, I don't know if you can hear the road noise either, but I can. I remember it was kind of annoying on my last hike. So I'm excited. I'm going to be in the Hercules Glade Wilderness this upcoming weekend. So yeah, get the good old summer season backpacking season going. Really excited for that. There's no snow on the ground in Missouri. Here we are. It's just a little bit further down the trail, and here's Stone Lake. Stone Lake Overlook. Another sign that spring is coming. Oh, they're tapping the trees. It's maple syrup time. Oh yeah, it's already got a good, it's frozen, but a nice good block of this maple. Oh, bucket's empty. Yeah. I have a whole bunch of trees tapped out here. That's pretty awesome. Making some maple syrup. I wonder how you get that. I wonder where they sell it. Huh. If you know where they sell that stuff, where they sell like local maple syrup made from like local parks and stuff, post it down in the comments, let me know. I'd love to get my hands on some and give it a try. So yeah, I am approaching the parking lot. It's been a great hike. I really enjoyed myself here. That's why I wanted to come back and do another hike here. Finish that figure 8. So that was, what, 2.5 miles? I forgot to hit record on my trail, so I wasn't tracking my distance or anything like that, but it was 2.5 miles and it was nice. I only saw one person cross-country skiing by, and other than that, I was all by myself. But join me next week on Happy Trail Backpacking. Thanks for coming.